welcome back. Okay, so what do we got? New belt and some new spark plugs. Although it ran with the old plug, just throw some new ones on, a new one on her. See if we get it running today, and driving this time. It runs good. See if we can get it to drive today. First things first, gotta crack a German import beer before we get working on it. Okay, the belt is a little tight. Gotta figure this out. It will go on there. Just gotta figure it out. Okay, got the new belt on. See how that goes. Let's get a new plug in there. Now, went with NGK plugs. Got NGK plug in there. The auto light was discontinued, and you really can't go wrong with NGK plugs. So we got Japanese bike, German beer, and a Canadian guy. Just call me Mr. Worldwide. Now I don't have a 13/16 socket, but it's a 13/16 wrench. So that'll I loosened it a bit. That's not good. Not what we want. Oh, what a bad angle. Okay, I'd say that's in there pretty good. Good enough for around here. Okay, it turns out I did have a 13/16 socket, but with these sunglasses on, I didn't see it. There she goes. So I got the key, start it up, and try it out. Okay, just had another sip of the sweet German beverage. Let's give it a shot. Choke. Put the choke on a little bit. Okay, that's nice. We're moving. See, the brakes work. The brakes work. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Okay, so I think the wheel bearings need to be greased on the front. Sure, that is squeaky up front. But she runs. I had to play with the throttle a little bit. It's a little bit off. But she runs. Okay, so we're still not getting full throttle. I gotta pick up the slack that's in here, but it seemed to run pretty good. No smoke so far. I got the plastic over there I gotta paint. I'll paint this sole thing up too. I'm thinking purple. I don't know, someone in the comments comment a color you think I should paint it. See if I can sneak that color in there somewhere. Gotta get new light. But yeah, these old machines are tough. It's running pretty good actually. That clutch is coming back to life. The clutch still isn't 100%. I'm gonna see if I can find a new one, but we'll see what we can do there. And remember, instead of buying overpriced new Chinese junk, let's just keep working on these old ones here until hopefully the manufacturers catch up and realize we need three-wheelers again. We can't be having this four-wheel and two-wheel nonsense You know, some of us like to party.